Magandang hapon, viewers, and nandito pa rin po kami live sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium dito lang sa GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And of course, live rin tayo sa ating digital channel GNN TV48 Naga channel 48.2 at napapanood din tayo sa cable via DCTV channel 10 Naga at syempre live rin tayo sa GNN 48 Facebook page at Bucal Facebook page. Ako muli si Frances Rona and kasama ko si Russell Senyora. And dito lang yan sa inaabangang pagbabalik ng Bucal Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 4.
Yun na, nandito na tayo ngayon, Frances, sa third game ng ating opening day ng Bucal Season 4 between UNC Greyhounds versus CSBC STALLIONS.
Third game na, yes.
Yes, to give us an update, ano ba ang latest sa court side ng Blue Stallions? Ando ng ating kasamahan na si Kailin. Hello Kai, kamusta? Ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, Russell. Binabati ko po ngayon ang mga nanonood live dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium at online sa ating Bucal Facebook page. I am Kailin Arandia, your courtside reporter of the CAMARINES Polytechnic College Blue Stallions. Kasama ko bumiyahe ang Blue Stallions all the way from Nabua, Camarines Sur, and the atmosphere radiated nothing but optimism and excitement for their pioneer season. Grabe, napaka-excited na rin ang mga CSPCN sa kanilang pinaka-inaabangan na Bucal Season 4 Fit for Victory. It is really an honor to have the opportunity to be part of the Bucal family and makakasama niyo ako all throughout this season. So stay tuned for more updates sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Yan, maraming salamat sa update mo galing dyan sa CSBC Stallions. Pero Frances, makilala naman natin ang nasing Hello, Janelle, kumusta? Ano ang update at kumusta ang spirit ng UNC Greyhounds?
Hello, good afternoon, Bicolanja. I am Janelle Jumano from Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, your courtside correspondent this Bucal Season 4. Long time no game. I can exciting and thrilled to be here, and the court attention score is rising, and we can see that the players are starting up for their much-awaited game after 2 years. I'm here at the UNC Greyhounds' corner, and as one of the founding schools of Bucal, can the Greyhounds bring home the bacon? I don't want to shake the momentum in here, and you can now hear the sounds of the band. Let's keep our fingers crossed and high hopes and getting a win. Balik sa inyo.
Partner, andito na tayo. First 5 UNC Greyhounds. Sino sila? Number 20 and number 35. Meron na tayo ngayong partner. Puntos na guys, coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Wala po ng UNC Greyhounds. Masyadong maingay ang ating live audience dito sa ating
Grabe, damang-dama ko yung excitement dito, lalong-lalo na sa Greyhounds team. Grabe, dala talaga nila yung banda nila.
and we have an goal by the Stallions. Pero andun ang ating courtside reporter na si Kailin. Meron siyang kasama. Hello Kai, sino ang kasama mo dyan?
Grabe, kakasimula pa lang ng first quarter pero grabe na ang feels dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. So kasama ko po ngayon ang assistant coach ng Blue Stallions na si Coach Paul Sepe. So Coach, alam naman natin lahat na napakalaking part sa isang athlete na ma-motivate sa journey nila sa basketball. So how do you keep your teammates motivated?
Siguro sinasabi lang namin sa mga players namin na always work hard inside and outside the court, lalo na sa student athletes sila. They should work muna sa pag-aaral bago sila makalaro. And when it comes naman sa practices, pinupukpok namin sila talaga to work hard always. Alam mo, we're a new team. So kailangan namin laging i-remind yung mga players namin to always work hard and have the right discipline towards the game.
Thank you very much, Coach Paul. And napaka-importante talaga ang hard work sa Blue Stallions and sa mga team dahil nga ika nga na teamwork makes the dream work. Yun lamang ang update dito sa site ng Blue Stallions. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Kailin. And now, puntahan naman natin ngayon ang kasama nating courtside reporter kasama ang UNC Greyhounds na si Janelle. Hi, Janelle. Kamusta dyan?
Welcome back in here and you're still tuning in GNN Sports TV. Indeed, the Greyhounds are getting the ball. Beside me is Coach Alvin Lumberio to share with some insights about his team. Good afternoon, sir. How does it feel that after 2 years, Bucal is finally back?
Nothing but we can't explain the excitement, and that's it. We are just very excited.
Okay, so, Coach, what do you think is the big advantage of the Greyhounds?
Advantage. I don't think that, we are playing with the advantage because we have a lot of new players. We left with only 3 veteran players, and we have to actually instill the system on both ends in terms of defense and offense.
Okay, Coach. Thank you so much po for your time and thank you so much po ulit. And yan muna ang update dito. Balik sa inyo.
out po kay John Cedric Agravante and shout out po kay Ken Taugan. Good luck.
Number 23 ng USC Greyhounds. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-support. And don't forget
And partner, papasalamatan natin yung naiwan na sponsor kanina. And dyan ang Sleep Pods Capsule Beds by Lueli. Wow! Worlds of Water, Lemon Residences, Nagayon Travel and Tours, SM City Naga, NCF Driving School, APT Ads, and NCF Trading Pool. Maraming salamat po.
partner, punong-puno ang Ateneo Gymnasium. Hindi nababawasan ng tao. May umalis, maraming
Malagdag. And 4 against 6 po and lamang pa rin ang ating Greyhounds. 4 minutes and 49 seconds para sa ating first quarter.
And we have a timeout called by the UNC Greyhounds with the score 6-4. Lamang pa rin po ang UNC Greyhounds. Players here live here at Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium. And you're still watching at DN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
For the first one, official running score 6 against 4, UNC. Shout out, Mr. Lester.
Nado mo po si Coach.
And we are back live here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium para sa Season 4, Greyhounds versus the Blue Stallions. And maano po ng word, damang-daman na yung kulay and hiyawan dito sa loob ng gymnasium.
Ayun sa partner, galing from the timeout. Abang ngayon ang ating coach at supporter para ibalita sa atin kung ang update sa Blue Stallions. Mamaya, dito muna tayo. Okay, partner. There's a turnover of the US Greyhounds. Number 9.
Tayo na nga.
Substitution. Jersey number 9. Your first personal foul. 7-2 for
And ngayon nga partner, pupuntahan muna natin ang ating Blue Stallions kasama ang ating courtside reporter na si Kailin. Hi Kailin, for this report, what happened during the timeout?
Thank you, Francis. As per Coach Peter Pachelon from their huddle, napakaganda nga daw ng depensa na itinatapon ng Blue Stallions against the Greyhounds. And dapat lang na alalahanin ng mga teammates na huwag apakan ang white line para hindi mag-outside. Dapat mag-aralan lamang at ipagpatuloy ang mga depensa na pinag-aralan
Subdivision. Jersey number 13, first number 5.
And so far, partner, mula sa Game 1, Game 2, ito lang sa Game 3. Dito yung dikit at mainit talaga yung laban. Dikit at mainit.
Dikit at mainit. Dikit. Yan ang pinapakita sa atin. Pero yun, nakascore ang ating Greyhounds. 8-6.
And ayun nga, partner, sa sobrang padami yung pumapasok dito sa gym ay nagdadagdag pa ng mga upuan ng ating logistics.
Masyado na pupulo. Gymnasium. Kinukulang na tayo pero pasok na pasok pa. Kaya yung mga
Mas marami, mas masaya, partner.
Gym.
At syempre, hindi natin kakalimutan yung mga nanonood dyan sa live. Dyan sa FB Live natin, pa-shoutout po kay Sandro Alimuin. And let's go, Greyhounds!
And shoutout sa'yo, Zach. Hello, King. Shoutout sa'yo, maraming salamat sa panonood. At kay Jules, shoutout sa'yo, Jules.
And shoutout din kay Mark Christian Intia.
Bola po ng ating
Para sa ating first quarter, 6 against 11 at lamang na ang ating UNC Greyhounds.
There will be a free throw from the Greyhounds. Number 6 on the line. It's good for his first and then partner correction, we only have 0.7 remaining time here for our first quarter. Number 6. And maybe this will be the last point for hindi natin nakikita ang
Personal foul number 13 fouls. 14 seconds, shut up. 36 seconds.
And
26. Sorry, thank you for clarification.
ayan.
Bucal Season 4 live at TNN TV Sports Liga
Ng mga kampiyon.
Magbabalik po kami.
Tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon dito sa GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon and lamang po ng 5 puntos ang ating UNC Greyhounds.
At ayun, papasok na po tayo sa second quarter ng ating third game. Greyhounds versus natin kung makakahabol ba dito ang Blue Stallions sa ating second quarter. Mga kaibigan, huwag po kayong aalis. Nagsisimula pa lang.
Nagsisimula pa lang talaga, partner.
Okay, and give us an update coming out from the end of the first quarter. Ano kaya ang magiging plano ng Blue Stallions sa second quarter nito? Let's hear from our coach at the quarter.
The Blue Stallions are still striving for winning their very first matchup against the UNC Greyhounds. And sabi nga ni Coach Peter Barcelon sa kanilang huddle na dapat na hindi mawalan ng focus sa kanilang player para hindi makashoot ang kalaban. At dapat nga na paigtingin pa rin nila ang kanilang half-court man-to-man defense. That is the update in my side. Back to you guys.
And hindi rin maaalis sa kanila yung focus. Kasi second quarter na partner and dapat ma-maintain yun hanggang fourth quarter.
Coach Alvin wanted his team to take it slow as possible. Also, sinabi din ni Coach Alden na they need to work harder, not smarter. Go get the ball, Greyhounds! Balik sa inyo!
Shout out po kay John Russell Senyora from Alvin Oven. Ayun, nagpapashout out.
Mga kaibigan natin dyan, maraming salamat sa pag-suporta. Our time is 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Corner, naman pa rin po ng dalawa ang UNC Greyhounds. 17-15 sa ating Arsa 3. No good, pero andun si Kentautan.
Nasusubaybayan mo na talaga sa Russell.
Yes, high school pa lang yan.
Substitution, that's number 13. Second personal foul, second team foul. Hey,
number 13.
And partner, papasalamatan din natin ang kasama natin mga office rating officials from SPP, NAGA, Elite Referee. Ayan, I'm headed by their commissioner, Sir Eman Balaon. Maraming salamat sa ating masisipag at mga galing naman. May mga galing naman ng referee.
jersey number 1 of the Blue STALLIONS, making his free throws.
And ayun po, habang nag-free throw dyan sa ating court ay magbabasa muna tayo ng shoutout. Pa-shoutout po kay Gian Manuel Tipay and James Kenneth Carulio, ang DYD Boys ng Naga City. DYD Boys. DYD Boys, Saturday night.
Sigurado mamaya yung Saturday night. Meron tayong 634 viewers sa Facebook page.
Maraming salamat po. Sobrang bilis ng transition partner from defense to offense at yung balikan talaga
University Gymnasium. You're still watching GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
21 years in the league.
And nagbabalik pa rin po kami dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium at live na live pa rin sa GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And ayun nga partner, tumawag ng timeout ang ating Blue Stallions. And mamaya alamin natin or tatanungin natin ang update ang ating mga kasamang courtside reporters.
Ayun, we only have 3 minutes and 42 seconds left for the second quarter. Lamang pa rin po ang UNC Greyhounds, but there's a turnover at nasa ating court side ng UNC Greyhound, ating kasamahan na si Danel. Kamustahin natin kung ano ang update para sa natitirang 3 minutes ng ating second quarter. Hi Danel, kamusta ka dyan?
We're now back here at the Greyhounds' corner. Game 1 pala ng Greyhounds, tied game na. At makikita natin ang laking suporta ng fans ng UNC Greyhounds. Kasabay ng pagtibok ng puso ko ang pagtambol ng kanilang banda. Beat off of your layups and shots. Yan ang sabi ni Coach Alden. Yun lamang ang update dito. Balik sa inyo.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa iyo, Janelle. At good luck sa UNC Greyhounds. Ayun, shoutout sa mga ating viewers dito. Shoutout sa Mark Mahardo. Hello Mark, shoutout sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta.
And a shout out din kay Hasil Laika Palarao. Maraming salamat po.
Ayun, sabi ni Maya Abragan, go, 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 CSP Stallion.
And a shout out
Abragan's family.
And a shout out po kay Kate Belgica, Kyle Kander Ibareta watching from San Juan City. Good luck, James Angelo Belgica.
Meron na lang po 14 seconds to shoot ang ating Greyhounds. We only have 2 minutes and 50 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Lamang pa rin po ang UNC Greyhound by 4, 23 to 19 sa ating at para bigyan tayo ng update at adjustment sa side ng Blue Stallions, tawagan din natin si Kailin. Hello Kailin, ano ba ang latest update at adjustment ni Coach?
Kay Russell, as per Coach Peter Marcelon sa kanilang huddle, i-execute ng Blue Stallions ang box-out defense at advice lang ni Coach na this is just another day for the Blue Stallions to run and reach the sweet taste of victory. Yun lamang ang update dito. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat Kailin and good luck sa ating Blue Stallions.
So ayan, thank you kay Lynn. Meron na lang tayong 2 minutes and 42 seconds para sa ating second quarter. 19 against 23. And lamang pa rin po ang ating UNC Greyhounds.
Ayun. Shoutout po sa masama nating ating personnel sa salamat ng ating hardcore. Maraming salamat po.
And
Blue Stallions won. And there's gonna be a turnover from number 7, bola po ng UNC Greyhounds.
And maraming ang fans siyang si Taugan. Ito may nagpapa-shoutout sa kanya. Set the beast mode again, Matias Taugan.
Ayun, maraming salamat po. Rinig natin dito sa gymnasium ang banda ng UNC Greyhound. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Pasalamatan natin ang ating Bucal Season 4 volunteers. Maraming salamat po sa tulong na binahagi dito sa Bucal. Maraming salamat.
pasalamatan din natin ang GNN TV 48 para sa malinaw na live coverage. And partner, grabe yung nagsusubaybay sa ating FB Live. Meron 674 sa yun, meron 656 sa akin.
Yes, at yun na, bola ngayon ng STALLIONS. Number 5. Substitution. Pasok sa number 12. It's gonna be an inbound play from Bucal.
And ayun nga partner, batiin muna natin si Reniel Sarmiento Rada. Ayun, and ipasok daw si Kifli Javier.
Basket counts, foul jersey number 15. First personal foul.
Let's see if he will complete the 3-point play. 0. Free throw. And he completes 2 minutes and 7 seconds to play. It is scored 22-24. Lang po ang hinapan ng
And sa mga nanonood,
may defense na pinapakita sa atin ng Bucal. There's gonna be a timeout called by the Greyhounds. Sumang pa rin po ang Greyhounds. You are still watching here live at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. You're still watching GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Remaining time 1 minute and 43 seconds. For the second quarter, countdown. Monitor, James Command.
and live pa rin tayo sa Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium para sa Season 4 ng Bucal. And kanina nga, tumawag ng timeout ang ating USC Greyhounds.
Will try his block shooting the 2 free throws.
And magbabasa muna tayo ng shoutout, Russell. Shoutout kay Rocky. And shoutout din po kay Ken Estrada, Carlo Caroche, AJ Brookie na nagdadalan po live. Thank you so much po. And mamaya abangan din po natin ang Ateneo versus Shepherdville College.
Last game for today's opening day. Ayun! Andun ang mga emotional ng Bucal. Yes, pointer. Ayun,
sa ating second quarter and 1 point po ang lamang ng ating UNC Greyhounds. 1 point partner.
Siya na lang, partner.
Tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang Blue Stallions. Sobrang dikit talaga.
Most probably, kung ma-rebound sa kanila ang last possession and hopefully makagawa sila ng puntos coming from the last possession.
Jersey number 13.
13.
Jersey number 13, third personal foul.
Third personal
Penalty.
jersey number 13.
Moving down 11
On
seconds.
the line is number 25 of the Greyhounds trying to complete his
Personal foul.
And a shout out din daw kay Go Bro Ken Matias Tauban. Grabe talagang fans itong ni Tauban, partner.
masyadong marami ang fans na Ken. Bola po ng
11 seconds.
you only have 11 seconds to play. Let's see if they can manage to make a point given all out. UNC Greyhounds 29 to 27. We are still live here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. This is your Bucal Season 4. You're still watching at BNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami para sa halftime analysis.
Welcome in the half viewers, and as we are set to give you the halftime analysis for our first 20 minutes of action. Kaya partner, please walk us through.
Last quarter, second quarter natin, A Blue Stallions ball. Number 2. Pass to number 1. Crossing to front court.
Bleachers ng Ateneo Gymnasium at nagiging init na dito ang lahat. The vibes are great in the dugout for the Greyhounds. So far so good, sabi nga ng kanilang coach. But they need to make a box out before rebound. Make effort for 2 more quarters. Pressure is real for the players at mukhang nawawala ng kumpiyansa at nagiging big deal ang tension ng crowd at mukhang nakaka-apekto ito sa laro nila. Do things in the right way and they will appreciate all the efforts. Always put the ball into play. Ang ultimate advice ni Coach Alvin ay huwag maging selfish. Yun lamang ang update dito. Balik sa inyo.
Depende sa iyong update, but there's a timeout called by the Blue Stallions. This is your Bucal Season 4 live at Ateneo Gymnasium, only here at PNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Babalik pa rin tayo para sa ating Bucal Season 4 and kanina nga may time out. Kaya ngayon ay tatanungin natin ang kasama nating courtside reporter na si Kailin kasama ang Stallions. Kailin, may mga nasagang pa kanyang balita. Any game plan na panibagong game plan?
Thank you, Francis. Head coach Peter Barcelona is a bit disappointed sa execution ng Blue Stallions and he does not want to lose their team's momentum. And sabi nga ni coach na wag dapat magmamadali and ine-encourage the coach na they should always keep their heads up and to always trust that system. That is the latest in my side. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat. Ang gandang reaction ng ating number 2. There's a foul. Bola
And ayun, magbabasa muna tayo ng shoutout. Dito shoutout kay John Nikos Lok. Maguli ka na. Ayan. And a shoutout din kay Bucal Ramos Nueva Ramirez. And a shoutout din po kay Edgy Vera. Hindi nag-review pero nakadalan. And watching from San Juan City. Go, Stallions, go! From San Juan, may mga pagkakas ng Stallions.
And we only have 5 minutes.
Substitution, jersey number 9, first personal foul, third team foul, UNC.
Act of shooting ang foul nito pa.
Shoutout,
Let's see.
Ken Estrada,
Meron tayong
attack,
dalawang free throw shot. Yun.
personal foul, Niagara.
Jumpers ready for the second throw. Number 0 on the line.
And 30 against 39 po para sa ating third quarter. 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Mark, 8 points at 2 and 3 Greyhounds. And kahit first time participant yung ating CFPC Stallions ay halatang hindi talaga sila nagpapahuli.
77, fires at 3, no good. Bounded by number 40. Pass to number 16. Number 16, no good. There's a steal. And there's gonna be bola po ng Blue Stallions.
And ayun nga, shout out kay Patrick Enias. And shout out din po kay Ken Estrada.
Bola ngayon.
And 4 minutes and 29 seconds pa rin para sa ating third quarter. And 8 points pa rin ang lamang ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Nakikita ng ating laban partner.
And may fourth quarter pa, may natitira pang oras ngayong third quarter. Makikita natin kung makakahabol ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
Mahaba pa ito, partner. 4 minutes, marami pang pwede mangyari, pwede pang bumaliktad ang ating laro ngayong hapon. So good for the second goal. Nakita ang ating referee. There's gonna be a reaching. Number 35.
natin, maingay partner, ang mga fans ng CSBC Blue Stallions sa ating FB Live. Ang daming Blue Hearts. Go CSBC Blue Stallions. Maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay.
14 seconds shot clock.
Abangan sila.
14 seconds to shoot.
Sa ating Bucal.
Time to shoot.
Bola ngayon.
And partner, pasalamatan din natin ang mga trained at masisipag nating statistician. Andiyan sila Fatima Balisoro, Derek Verse, Angela Lapuente, Hanilin Salamat, at Gayo Santiago. Maraming salamat.
Salamat rin sa ating kapahinga pa lang na commentator. David Joshua Bernales. Shout out sa'yo, Idol. Ayun, boss ka na din.
Adolescents, UNC.
Number 77.
Pero nakikita natin na Russell, unti-unting humahabol ang ating mga Blue Stallions.
Ang kasi hindi na pa niya. Masana pang mahaba. Pero pa mahabol. Pabaliktad ang ating bola. Ayun. Number 40. Next over to number 15. Parcel. Green. So good. Bola po. Blue Stallions. Nasisip there. Pass to number 33.
Eto na, nakikita na natin ang unti-unting paghabol na ng ating Blue Stallions.
Number 23, third jumper, no good. Pero andun ang ating Blue Stallions. Saan? Number 77, pass to number 35, number 35, pass, 3-pointer, no good. Rebounded by the Greyhounds.
And 2 minutes and 41 seconds remaining time para sa ating third quarter. And lamang ng 4 points ang UNC Greyhounds.
Yun, pero pero still, natin sa number 15 of the Greyhounds. Basically, number 13.
Grabe, Russell, hindi lang bola yung gumugulong, pati na yung mga players.
Yes.
Grabe talaga.
Nag-aagawan, wala nang higil na higil. Wala po ang ating UNC. You only have 2 minutes and 40 seconds to play.
72 seconds.
Pa rin po ang
And pasalamatan din natin na Russell yung mga kasama nating staffs dito sa ating video.
Yes, Number number 7 of the Greyhounds, making his 2 free throws.
And ayun nga, habang nagigit-gitan dito sa gym, basahan muna natin ang mga FB live comments dito. Andyan si Juvilin, maraming salamat Juvilin sa iyong pagsubaybay. Go Taysio, sabi ni Trisha May Kitko. Support mo man ng Shepherd later. Yes naman, support natin ang Shepherd mamaya kasama ang Ateneo Golden Knights.
Maraming salamat po. And to his last number 0 drives.
And then titignan natin at aabangan sino ang makakapunto sa loob ng 37 seconds.
Pwede pang magkaroon ng 2 possession ang Blue Stallions or ang Greyhounds sa natitirang 37 seconds. Magawa ng bola during the rebound. Last throw for number 0 of the Blue Stallions. That's great. May shoot niya ba? And it's good for his last throw. Our score is 40 against 44. Naman pa rin po.
21 seconds remaining.
CSTC Blue Stallions with only 21 seconds left.
Ganun pala yung partner, kailangan ma-inbound yung bola within 5 minutes. Ayun, partner. 2 points na lang ang lamang ng ating UNC Greyhounds at may 4 seconds pa tayo para sa ating third quarter.
Kapag nakuha niya itong last throw na ito, isa na lang ang nilang hahabulin sa pagpasok natin ng fourth quarter partner.
UNC Morgan for the lead again.
Yung 44, lamang pa rin po.
One for technical for the lead again.
Time we have
UNC.
4 seconds.
4.9 seconds remaining time.
Jumpers ready. Let's see if he can complete the 3-point play. And did it. He completes the 3-point play. Number 7. With 3 minutes, 3 seconds left. Number 20, Ken Hogan tries to ang UNC Greyhound 44-43. Live tayo dito sa Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. You're still watching on GNN Sports TV.
Liga ng mga kampiyon.
Magbabalik po kami.
at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium and the partner, liit na liit ang laban sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter.
Mga kaibigan, huwag po kayong makalis. Tutulong lang po kayo at magkakaroon ang ating laban sa pagkakas. Last quarter.
Kung dito sa gym partner, ang maingay ay yung mga Greyhounds na pass. Pero sa ating FB Live, maingay ang ating FBC Stallions.
Number 13, setting the play. It's off. Pass. Number 45. No good. Gawa ng bola. Kaya pa rin. Pass. Number. Nice shot. Number 0.
Okay, pa-shoutout po kay Jason Buena Obra and shoutout din po kay Team Genesis.
Maraming salamat dito sa number 7. He will make the shot from the free throw coming from a shooting foul. Number 20 natin. Ang tira sa free throw ay may papasok pa ng ating number 7 from the Greyhounds. Hey, bakso ko na! Pro! Last throw for number 7 and it's good. Lamang na ngayon, partner.
And now, partner, let's go over to the other side with our fourth side reporter, Kailin, kasama ang Blue Stallions. Hi, Kailin, kita ng laban. And kamusta dyan sa Blue Stallions?
The Blue Stallions are on the lead in this game. And sabi nga ni Coach na the players should always maintain their trapping defense. And sa advice lang man ni Coach na they should always keep their heads up and the players, because the players have what it takes to win the game. That is the latest update. Back to you guys.
At ayun, maraming salamat. At ito, napaka-effective ng advice sa coach sa kanila to keep their heads up. Kasi na ngayon, parehas na, pablo na po ang ating score, 47 all sa ating third game ngayong opening day ng Bucal Season 4.
And i-maintain din ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions ang kanilang trapping defense para maprotektahan ang kanilang score. And ngayon naman, papakinggan natin mula sa kabilang panig ang Greyhounds team. Andyan ang kasama natin si Janelle. Hi Janelle, eto na. Isa ng laban, kamusta dyan?
Makikita natin painit ang laban ngayong last quarter. Depensa, yan ang sigaw ng kapwa UNCiano at UNCiana. Para ngayong quarter, ang gusto ni Coach Alvin ay magkaroon ng tight zone defense para makuha ang unang panalo. Yun lamang ang latest update dito. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Janelle.
And 8 minutes and 27 seconds para sa ating fourth quarter and lamang na lang ng isang ang UNC Greyhounds. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng laban, partner. Game 3.
Kahit ako, napatakat ako sa
Papatay yung mga partner. And 7 minutes and 8 seconds para sa ating fourth quarter and lamang na ng 2 puntos ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
Yun, kapag may pasok po, number 7 natin, tabla ulit ang ating laban, mga kaibigan. First throw is forward. Number 7, behind this line. Shot the last throw, and still
And basa-basa tayo ng shoutout kay Bucal, NUEVA, Ramirez. Maraming salamat po. And 6 minutes and 50 seconds para sa ating fourth quarter. And lamang na po ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
You're still watching here. Lahat sa ngayon, Bucal 64. Stay tuned dito sa CNN Sports TV. Sila mga kampiyon. We will be right back.
Back live here at Aranay University Gymnasium para sa fourth quarter ng ating Game 3. Greyhounds versus the CFPC Blue Stallions and lamang na po ng 5 puntos ang Blue Stallions.
Grabing 3-pointer na pinakita.
Grabe.
Sabi yun si number 1.
Nabaliktad yung laban sa game ay sa third quarter.
Yes, mga kaibigan, sabi ko sa inyo, tumutok lang po kayo at maraming pwedeng mangyari sa ating laban ngayong hapon.
And partner, parami-rami na ang nanonood ng ating FB Live. Sino ba naman ang nanonood dito? Yun.
Online viewers natin, mga ating viewers dyan.
900 dito sa Bucal FBC. Pero mamaya i-check natin sa GNN Facebook page.
Play. Magiging plano ng natitirang oras dito. Nandyan si Janelle para bigyan tayo ng update. Hello Janelle, kamusta? Ano mga update dyan?
Laban UNC, yan ulit ang sigaw ng kapwa UNCiano at UNCiana. Stick to the plan pa din, sabi ni Coach Alden. Yun lamang ang balita dito, balik sa inyo.
minutes na lang ang natitira sa ating fourth quarter. 53 against 50 and lamang ng 3 puntos ang CSPC Blue Stallions.
Yun lang, number 40 for his first throw. First throw is good. Stallions.
And,
Pasok na ito. Isa na lang ang nabuhin nila.
and speaking of Blue Stallions, pa-shout out Team Stallions, especially sa classmate kong senior Matt John. Namin classmates sa sunod.
Isa na lang ang nabuhin ngayon. Ang ating Greyhounds. Take an extended here. Number 35, fire for the lead. Good.
And we are back at Bucal University Gymnasium and partner. Eto na tayo sa fourth quarter. Madali nang matapos. Pero kita mo naman yung audience, yung live audience. Punong-puno yung bench ay nagdagdag pa ng monoblock dito sa gilid ng ring.
Yes, partner.
Grabe.
Tayo.
Yung laban Russell, paikot ng paikot, pabaliktad, pabaliktad. Diba?
Pero, kasama natin yun, kay Nick, para bigyan tayo ng atin.
Thank you, Francis and Russell. Nakita nga natin na the court is on fire sa pinaka-last quarter ng laro na ito. And sabi nga ni Coach Peter Barcelona, dapat nga ibalik ng mga players ang momentum ng kanilang laro. And advice na rin na dapat mag-communicate lang sila inside the hard court. That is the latest update. Balik sa inyo.
Ayun, maraming salamat.
Grabe yung hiyawan ng live audience, partner.
Masyadong mainit. Kanina lang nakita natin ang long range. Pointer ng ating
And bago matapos ang ating fourth quarter, papasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Cafe Amigo, Mariners Polytechnic and Colleges Incorporated, The Chilitos Resort, Capsule Viaje, Sleep Pads Capsule Beds by Lueli, Wow, Worlds of Water, Lemon Residences, Nagayo Travel and Tours, SM City Naga, NCF Driving School, AET Ads, and NCF Training Pool. And live pa rin tayo dito sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Digital Channel 48.2, at pati na rin sa cable via DCTV Channel 10. And dito rin tayo, partner, sa Facebook page ng GNN TV 48 Naga and Bucal Facebook page. And maraming salamat po sa 1K na viewers ng Bucal FB page. Thank you so much. And magbabasa tayo ng comments dito. Shout out po, UNC. And nice one, Francis Dumagu. Maraming salamat po.
coming from the boat game. With remaining time 4 minutes and 46 seconds. For his last throw, no good. Rebounded by number one, pass to number 0, takes it over to number 33, fives, no good, at ang goal si number 5, Greyhounds, para bitinsahan at yan, tayo nagawa ng bola.
And 4 minutes and 19 seconds po and 56 all.
Bola ng Greyhounds. Nabla pa rin ang ating lawan, masyadong mainit ang ating third match up ngayon at mayroong turnover from the Greyhounds. Sayang nun. Bola ng ating Blue Stallions. Number 45 inbounding the ball. Pass to number 1. Number 1 back to number 45. Number 45 drives. Good, no good. Rebounded by number 9. Good, 4 at inside the lane. At yun nga, lumaba ang ating Blue Stallions. 58 to 56. It remains that 1 minute seconds. So we have 14 seconds to shoot para sa ating Blue Stallions. Number 1, having the play, pass to number 0. Collect a screen. Number 0, pass to number 1. Tries a three. Good! 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 The three-pointer. Pati ako nadadala na sa init. Naglamay dito mga kaibigan.
Ang gandang tira nun, mula sa number 1 ng CSBC Blue Stallions partner. Parang lahat ng players masisipan sa ating Blue Stallions.
Kung wala lang yung table dito, nakatayo na ako dito, partner. At merong foul. Katawagan sa ating Blue Stallions.
And habang dumadagdag ang ating Bukas partner, dumadagdag din ang ating FB Live viewers na 1,000 na ngayon. Grabe.
Maraming salamat po. Our score is 61 against 56. Lions leading the game with remaining time 3 minutes and 24 seconds. For the last throw, it's good for his basket. Good Lions possession. Number 35. Moving over. Patiently waiting his opponent. Number 0. Drives the ball. Good step. No good. That's good. Pero nakabak na number 23 para sa kanyang follow through. Number 5. Number 15. To number 14. Pass to number 9. Short jumper. And he scored for a 2-pointer from number 9 of the Greyhounds. Malakas na. Nangyawin dito. Nice one. Nakabak. Number 1 to 33. What an eye. Ang gandang good vision. Pinapakita. Number 1 dito. Ayun na. Number 19. Dogs. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Stop the ball. And he lays it over from number 9.
Grabe partner, parang lahat ng players ng both teams sa may mata sa likod ng kanilang ulo partner.
Yes.
Yung condition.
Grabe ang sagutan dito. Number 0. Turn around game. And we have a timeout. Goals by the UNC Greyhounds. Our score is 67 to 61. Lamang po ang ating Blue Stallions. We are still live here at Ateneo Dinaga. We're still watching at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back. Pagbulit, dikit, tapos
sobrang init ng laban and lamang ng 5 points, ng 6 points, ng 6 points ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions. And for the update, tatawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Janelle kasama ang Greyhounds team. Hi Janelle, malapit na matapos ang fourth quarter. Nagkamusta dyan?
May kitang napakaingay na dito sa loob ng court. We are having a tight game in the last quarter. Painit na painit ang labanan habang patapos ang kanilang oras. Pasa, opensa at higpitan ang man-to-man defense ng mga UNC Greyhounds. Yan lamang ang sabi ni Coach Alvin para mabawi ang panalo. Yun lamang ang balita dito. Balik sa inyo.
Yun, maraming salamat, Janelle. Pagbigay ng ating update partner. Kanina lang, nakita natin the long range pointer once again coming from number 1 of the Blue Stallions. At tatawagan tayo sa dito.
Ang presko nung paka-shot ng 3 points kanina partner galing sa ating na CSPC Blue Stallions.
Yes. Napaka-init.
And sabi nga ni Janelle ay i-maintain pa rin ng ating UNC Greyhounds ang man-to-man defense. And ngayon, papakinggan natin ang kabilang panig kasama ang ating courtside reporter na si Kailin. Hi Kailin, and update from the timeout.
Hello, Francis and Russell. Grabe, buhay na buhay dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. At sabi nga ng mga coaches ng Blue Stallions na napakaganda nga ng tinatapon na depensa at opensa ng Blue Stallions. Advice lang ni coach na mag-communicate lang sila inside the hardcourt dahil malapit na nga matapos ang game. Yun lamang ang update dito. Balik sa inyo.
Ngayon, maraming salamat sa update na binigay mo, Kailin, para sa ating Blue Stallions. Cross over, number 35, and there's the officer of our referee. Bola ng ating Greyhounds ngayon.
And 1 minute and 27 seconds ang natitira para sa ating fourth quarter. 70 against 63 and lamang na po ang CSPC Blue Stallions.
And there's gonna be 2 free throws given to number 5 of the Greyhounds. 70 to 63, partner. Lamang lang ng 7 ang ating Blue Stallions. At meron pa tayong 1 minute and 27 seconds. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari. Kaya sumutok lang kayo mga kaibigan. Masyadong mainit ang ating labanan dito. Gaya ng suporta na binibigay ng mga supporters ng ating Greyhounds at Blue Stallions dito sa live audience. Punong-puno tayo.
Hanggang 3 seconds partner, may mga nakasilip.
Number 0, driving the ball, tries to penetrate. Pointer of number 0, umikot pa si number 0. Number 40, dropping the ball. Number 7 drives the ball. And he uses the glass, good for 2 by number 7 on the Greyhounds. Natawagan mo ang reason dito. Wala pa rin ang ating Greyhounds. We only have 1 minute and 8 seconds for the fourth and last quarter. 72 against 66 naman ang ating Stallions. At may nakita ang ating referee. Ang tawagan si number 7 from the Greyhounds.
Go lang ng go, CSPC, sabi ni Maxine Acido. And shout out kay Jero Figuracion Pilios. Maraming salamat po sa pag-antabay sa aming FB Live. Abragan Michelle, number 1 fan from San Juan. Grabe nilang sa Naga City tayo, partner. Nakakarating din tayo sa Manila at sa iba-iba pang panig ng mundo.
Siyempre, partner, naka-public tayo. Kaya please, don't forget to share and like our Facebook page.
Yeah, partner, for more updates and ano pang mga abang na aksyon, pwede nyong i-follow and i-like and share ang Bucal Facebook page and ang GNN TV 48 Facebook page.
Yun, at nyo, marami pang pwedeng mangyari sa natitirang oras. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Lamang pa rin ang CSPC Blue Stallions. And number 35 will step on the line for free throw. Meron tatawagan ng technical foul ang number 7. He will be awarded with 1 free throw and plus ball possession ng ating Blue Stallions.
And eto partner, shout out po from Canada. Ayun nga, sa ibang panig, sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo itong Bucal.
Nakarating tayo ng Canada.
Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo dyan.
No good for his first throw. Pero ang ating Blue Stallions. Kapit lang mga kaibigan. Huwag kayong pipikit dahil masyadong mainit.
Pero pwedeng huminga partner, wag lang pipikit.
Pwedeng huminga. Huwag lang number 1. Running the play. Number 1. And there's gonna be a foul from the side of Nigeria. Let's go. We only have seconds to play, to be exact, 59 seconds to play. The Blue Stallions will make an inbound play. Number 1, inbound pass. Number 0, setting the play. Number 0, crossing. Number 0, floater in. It's good for a floater shot by number 0 of the Blue Stallions. Ayun na, masyado ng malinis ang kanyang depensa na pinapakita ng Blue Stallions. Muna, 49 seconds left. Kapit lang mga kaibigan. Ano kaya ang magiging resulta ng ating matchup ngayong third game ng Bucal Team of 4. Number 40, crossing the court, pass to number 15, pass to number 5. Number 5 penetrates. No good, pero may kasamang foul at siguradong he will step on the line for a 2 free throw.
And ayun nga, shout out daw kay Kenneth Gonzalez Divina Floor. Maraming salamat po. Go CSPC, laban lang. Pag nanalo ang CSPC, titikman natin yan mamaya.
Ayun, and for his first throw is good. Our score is 74 against 66. Lamang pa rin ng ang ating 67 rather, lamang pa rin ng ating Blue Stallions. Last throw. And it's good. It's down. 68 to 74. Anim na po ang hinahabol ng ating Greyhounds. Dito, we only have 31 seconds left to play. Tignan natin. Makakascore pa ba ang CSP Stallion? At ang gano'n! Houston the shot for that floater shot. Number 0. Nice 2-point shot by number 6. And we have a timeout called by the UNC Greyhounds. 68. Lamang pa rin ang Blue Stallions. We're still out here at Ateneo Dinaga.
And ayun nga partner, papasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. Andiyan ang Naga College Foundation, Cafe Amigo, Mariners Polytechnic and Colleges Incorporated, Pechilitos Resort, Capsule Viaje, Sleep Pads, Capsule Beds by Lueli, Wow Worlds of Water, Lemon Residences, Naga York, Travel and Tours, SMC Rinaga, NCF Driving School, AET.
And champion,
Grabe, tingnan mo nga ng partner ko.
Okay, and we're back here sa ating fourth quarter with remaining time 24 seconds to play. Lamang pa rin ang Blue Stallions dito, 76 to 68. Let's see kung makakahabol pa ba ang UNC Greyhounds sa natitirang oras natin. Kapit lang po kayo. Huwag kayong pipihit. Pwede kayong huminga. Okay. Bola ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Coming from the timeout of Coach Alvin. Let's see if they will materialize the play. Number 3, running the ball. Pass to number 15. Number 3, turns over. Nice shot. 5 seconds to play. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And that's gonna be the end of our board game. Blue Stallions versus Greyhounds. Panalo ang CSPC Blue Stallions. At makikilala natin mamaya ang best player of the game. This is your Bucal Season 4 live at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. You're still watching at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
We are back live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, and natapos na nga ang laban si SPC Blue Stallions versus the UNC Greyhounds. At ngayon, kasama na ng ating courtside reporter na si Kailin, ang best player of the game. Hi Kailin, maaari mo na bang ipakilala ang best player of the game?
Hello, Joshua and Frances. Kasama ko po ngayon ang best player of the game na si jersey number 0, John Laiko Niangar with 27 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 block, and 2 steals. So first of all, Laiko, congratulations.
Thank you po. Thank you sa NCF, sa CSPC community na nag-support sa amin.
So, alam naman natin na kailangan na stress-free bago maglaro. So, ano ang ginagawa mo bago sumalang sa hardcourt, or what is your pre-game ritual?
Siguro, mas nagpapahinga ako at sinusunod ko ang mga policy ng coach namin before mag-game. Then, nagdadasal ako. Yun lang.
Maraming salamat, Laiko. And bilang isang student-athlete, sa mga student-athlete na nanonood ngayon, paano mo nga ba nababalanse ang academics at ang pag-e-ensayo?
Siguro, konting sakripisyo lang at bigyan natin oras ang pag-aaral. Then, bigyan din ng oras ang training, pero kailangan lang ng sipag, kahit konti, sipag lang para araw.
Thank you and congratulations ulit, Laiko. So once again, I am Kailin Arandia, your courtside reporter of the CAMARINES POLYTECHNIC College Blue Stallions, and this is Bucal Season 4 Fit for Victory. Balik sa inyo.
At ayun na nga, maraming salamat Kailin, and congratulations sa ating best player of the game, number 0, John Laiko Niangar. Partner, kumana ng 27 points, 6 rebound, 2 assists, 1 block, and 2 steals sa loob ng 26 minutes played ng ating best player of the game. Kita natin from the first to fourth quarter, napaka-efficient ng batang ito, and kaya siya nakakaroon ng 27 points. So congratulations sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions. And that's gonna be the end of our third matchup CSPC Blue Stallions versus UNC Greyhounds. Panalo po ang ating Blue Stallions sa laban na ito.
And stay tuned po and don't change the channel for more gripping action. Ako po si Frances Rona at kasama ko si Russell Senyora dito lang sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.